start up all the birds that need to be started. We will go fetch me the Hubsan Zino app. There it is. Excellent, ready to go. Awesome. We are a go on all systems.
The gimbal is under protection. Please check if it is jammed.
Systems a go. Let's make sure that this is a little further out so that it doesn't destroy anything else. And we are up in the air. Let's go.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home
Gimbal downage
point.
is going to be essential at this point. We're going to go up and gimbal down. There it is. Ready to do the follow mode. Follow mode, active track, understood. And we should be ready to go. Except it's not tracing it because I haven't traced it yet. So let's trace it. Tracing it right now. It's got it. We're a go. So now all we have to do is get the DJI Mini up and we're ready to fly. Double check battery on Quads unlock this thing and we are good. We are good, ready to go. Oh, it lost the track. Let's try that again. Trace it, man, trace it. Struggling with the trace. It's got it. Try it again. Let's go. It's got the trace, no problem. Looks like we're a go. Pretty fun, guys. How much battery do we have on the remote? We've got 42. That's good. Just go out a little bit. Run a little tour here. Don't go too far. It's got to be line of sight all the way. So we'll take it easy. And we're just touring and cruising. It is great, but we've lost the trace. So we're gonna bring DJI home first, real quick. DJI's on his way. Here comes DJI. All the way. We're gonna go real fast this time. Coming right at me. Here it goes. Take it easy, turn around, and safely descend to a little halt here. Here we go. DJI's ready to land. Okay, DJI, come on down. DJI is done. Awesome. Perfectly grounded. And stop the recording. Okay, thank you. Let's go get our other drone. It's ready to come back. Here we go. It's on its way back. Here we go. No problem whatsoever. Here it comes. And now we are going to turn it around. And land. I was going to do the boat too, but at 18% battery, I'm just not going to risk it for brisket. So we're gonna call it a day because it's just not worth to lose your drone in the water. It's just not. So I already did a little demo earlier of that, so
landing.
We'll just come down to a nice and there's a little bird in the water right there. Look at that. So we can end it on a high with a cute little bird. So that's all, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.